up a snack bar for a treat like this anymore. And the best part is, you don't need to save it. We're starting by adding 10 grams of yeast, a tablespoon of sugar, 1 egg, a teaspoon of salt, and a 1/4 cup of oil to a bowl. Let's add 1/2 cup of milk and mix everything together really well. Just a reminder, the cup I'm using is 240 milliliters. Once that's done, we'll start adding flour. I'm going to use 2 cups of flour. Gradually add it and keep mixing. Mix until the dough looks like this. This is the perfect consistency. Now let's transfer the dough to a bowl and mix until all the flour is incorporated. It doesn't need to dissolve completely. This is the right consistency. Now cover it and let it rest for 30 minutes or until it doubles in size. After that time has passed, just uncover it. Press out all the air from the dough and set it aside. In another bowl, let's make the filling. I'll be using some ham, around 200 grams. 200 grams of mozzarella. I'll season it with a bit of oregano. And I'll add in cottage cheese. Guys, I used about 200 grams of cottage cheese. Once that's done, mix it well until everything is completely dissolved. That's the ideal consistency. Now let's take our dough and split it into portions. Next, just roll out the dough with a rolling pin and then let's add in our filling. After that, we'll bring all the pieces together in the middle. And then we just roll it up to seal it. All set. Now transfer it to a baking dish and brush the top with egg yolk. I added a bit of oregano on top, but you can add whatever you prefer. Once that's done, we just take it and bake it in a preheated oven at 180 degrees. We'll leave it for 40 minutes or until it's golden brown. And look guys, how amazing our pastry turned out. Super quick, easy and delicious. I make it at home and I'm sure everyone will love it. I hope you liked it. This was another recipe here from Pour in the Kitchen. Big hugs. Until next time and bye.